Unlock exclusive tools and protection with Amazon Brand Registry. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to enroll in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a full list of every single Amazon Brand Registry benefit Amazon currently offers. Let's dive in. Why is Amazon Brand Registry like a VIP club? Because once you gain access to all of the good stuff like removing fakes, Amazon Premium A+ content, and much, much more. The first thing you need to do is just go to brandregistry.amazon.com. You can also go to Google and type in Brand Registry Amazon, just like that. And then you're going to see brandregistry.amazon.com right here. So you just go here and then you're going to either sign in, so attempt to sign in with your same Seller Central credentials. If you don't have that and it doesn't work, then sign up, click create an account, and create an account with the same Seller Central credentials or new credentials if you want. But I recommend if you already sell on Amazon, just use the same exact credentials to sign up. Now, once you're in, it's going to look something like this, and your first step to gain access to all of those VIP benefits is to enroll a brand. So we're going to click on enroll a brand and we're going to see what we have. So you either don't have a trademark. If you don't have a trademark, you need one to get VIP access to all of the benefits, and Walmart helps you with this. Or you can say I have a pending or registered trademark. Your trademark doesn't even need to be registered, it just needs to be pending. So you're going to click enroll your brand. Now you're going to put your new brand name. Let's say our new brand name is Desire, and you're going to upload your brand logo. So let's upload that here, and let's see, there it is. Let's say that's the logo. Now you're going to see, where is it trademarked? Is it in the USPTO, which is the United States, or is it in a different country? And you're going to enter either your registration or serial number. So to get your registration or serial number, you should have that. It should be on the USPTO website. So we can go to uspto.gov, and then you can also, to figure out what this is, you can go to trademark and go to search your trademark database, trademark search system, and let's just say, again, ours is Desire, so I'm just going to type in Desire, and let's just say this is ours right here, this one, and it has a serial number right here. If you don't see the serial number, you can click on it and it should have a registration number. You're going to put that in, click verify, and now it says it is verified, so it's time to go forward. You can describe the categories that you want your brand to be sold. So again, this is going to be potentially apparel, but just for this, it's actually going to be health and personal care. So now we're going to put that in. We can also put apparel in, right? What are the multiple classes that it's ranking for? And you can also check that out on the USPTO. Now, if you already sell your product on Amazon, you can input your Amazon ASIN right here, and this is, I believe this part is optional, and then enter the URL of your brand's official website, again optional, but this does help you get approved a lot faster for the VIP brand registry access. Or if you sell on other platforms, put those websites. So if you already sell on Amazon, put the ASIN, put the URLs of the other websites, and if you sell on other e-commerce platforms, you can put those on there. Now this part is required, is you are supposed to put product images. Now it says, before submitting your application, please carefully review the product image requirements and ensure your images fully comply with them. So if you click here, here's the product requirements. The brand name must be permanently affixed to the product, such as through printing, sewing, laser, engraving. Stickers, labels are not considered permanent affixed. Okay. It can't be photoshopped, it needs to be real. So this is a big issue where if you just put like a white background, they're gonna think it's photoshopped. So here's an example of real photos that do work. So here's an example, Desire, this is a supplement. I know this is a sticker on a supplement, but every single supplement pretty much has a sticker. So Amazon does allow this. And you can see my hand is in it. So this is why it's getting approved. We did it like this, and then Amazon was like, this is not an actual image, this is a 3D image. So you sometimes need to have your actual hand in the photo. And then make sure you have all sides, right? And then make sure, of course, it shows your trademark in the photo. Right there it says Desire. So then we can upload those. They don't accept PDFs. So you can just click upload and then just upload all the sides of your product. So here's one side. And let's just say we upload all sides of the product. I'm just gonna upload 2 or just 1 for right now, but this pretty much shows it. This should be good enough. And then we're gonna click next. And you're gonna say, if you're already a seller, if you already are a seller, click on this, and that way it links all of the benefits to your seller account once you get approved, or if you're a vendor, or if you're neither. So we're just gonna do neither for this. And then you can put, does your brand sell to distributors? I'm just gonna put no. Where are your brand's product distributed? I'm not going to tell them, it's optional. Does your brand license trademark to other manufacturers? Again, I'm going to say no. And then you're going to submit this. Once you submit this, a case is going to open. It's also going to be shown right here. You're going to go back to Amazon Brand Registry, and it's going to say that it is pending review or pending submission. Right now it's going to say pending review. And then what Amazon is going to do is they're going to go to the USPTO. Let's say this is it right here. And they're going to look at the USPTO and be like, okay, it's live, everything's good. They're going to look at all of this, and they're going to look at the email address, the correspondent email address on file, even the attorney email address on file. They're going to email these a special code. Now here's an example of what the email is going to look like. It's going to be from brand-registry.confirmation@amazon.com, and it's going to say, hello, here is your special verification code. And then you're going to give this special verification code to Amazon. This proves that you are the owner of that trademark, and then Amazon is then going to approve you for brand registry. Now you can see the pending review, and then you can also, if you're not getting that code for some reason, you can contact brand support and be like, hey, where's my code? Where's my code? And then also check the case log to see if there's something open where you send them the code. And once you get that code and they verify it that it's correct, then you're going to get approved, and it's simply going to say status approved, and you're going to be good to go to get all of those brand registry benefits. Now this whole process does take some time because number one, first you need a trademark. If you don't have a trademark, you file the trademark, which takes about a day, and then it'll takes about 2 to 3 days to actually show up on the USPTO. Once it actually shows up on the USPTO, it takes another 2 to 3 days for it to actually show up in Amazon's system. So now we're talking about 6 to 7 days. Once that's done, then you can actually open up and enroll your brand. And then once you enroll your brand, then it's going to take Amazon another 2 to 3 days to email you that special code. And once you do that, then you give it to Amazon, another 2 to 3 days, and then you're fully available and you have brand registry. So altogether, we're talking approximately 14 days. It may be a little bit less, it may be a little bit more, but that's usually how long it takes to get approved. Now for saying towards the end of the video, I'm giving you a list of all of the benefits to brand registry right now. And number 1 is A+ content. Number 2 is 3D models and augmented reality, which is pretty awesome. 3 is brand store. 4 is sponsored brands. 5 is posts.amazon.com. 6 is brand analytics. 7 is brand metrics. 8 is Amazon Vine. 9 is customer reviews. 10 is brand tailored promotions. 11 is Amazon Live. 12 is sponsored display. 13 is manage your experiments. 14 is brand referral bonus. 15 is virtual bundles. 16 is Amazon attribution. 17 is subscribe and save. 18 is product lifecycle support. 19 is buy with Prime. 20 is multi-channel fulfillment. 21 is brand protection. 22 is report a violation. 23 is Project Zero. 24 is transparency. And 25 is counterfeit crimes unit. So there's tons of benefits, like so many benefits, where if you don't have A+ content and you're competing with somebody who does, you're most likely going to fail unless your product is just that much better. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything regarding Amazon Warrior experts, just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description, and check out our #1 premium content service where we'll look at your listings, we'll update your first image to make sure it gets more clicks, and most importantly, it gets conversions. So once people start clicking through, they're actually buying. If you don't know your conversion rate, we can figure it out for you and help you increase your sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.